Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Wake up to breathtaking panoramic views of sandy white beaches and crystal blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. Located 5 minutes from the Sangster International Airport in the enclaves of Ironshore Estate overlooking the north coast shoreline of Montego Bay, Jamaica, combining privacy, luxury, and tranquility. This property boasts a private spa and bar, 4 kitchens, including a self-contained studio and helper's quarters, solar panels, and batteries that fully operate sections of the villa that is independent of the grid, gated drive-in courtyard entry, and 24-hour CC monitoring camera system, furniture from Hardt and Eaton Allen, dishwasher, granite kitchen and bathroom countertops, a master bedroom and ensuite bathrooms, jetted tub, an equipped gym, a swimming pool and outdoor gazebo and jacuzzi for the entertainment of family and friends. The land size of this house is 0.37 acres. Retire in style and comfort, or invest in the lucrative vacation market, or make it your home and see Jamaica as an aristocrat. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 2.5 million or Jamaican $384.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.